Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be connected to the internet. I recommend the Wi-Fi network. And to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network and wake up the screen on it, then press the crown button to open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the Wi-Fi option, select it, and here you should see the list of choose networks. And basically find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, and if you need to enter the password to connect to it, enter the password, and once you do, the network will appear right here below the Wi-Fi button, which means you're connected to that network. Okay, and once you have the internet connection on your watch, we can continue. Now we can open the App Store on our watch. So, press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the App Store icon and tap on it. And here you have main page of App Store. You can scroll through different categories and apps, find something you like maybe. You can tap on see all to open the whole category, as you can see. Now find the app you want to install. I forgot to mention, but you can also tap on the search button right here to look for something more specific. For example, we could type in calculator and tap on search, and it will show us different calculator apps, as you can see. Now, once you find the app you want to install, you can tap on it to select it, and here we have the info page about it. We have the screenshots, the description. You can also check the ratings and reviews if you want to. Okay, and if you want to install the app, tap on the get button to download and install it. After the application is done installing, the get button will change to open button, and you can tap on this button to open the app, or you can go to the app menu by pressing the crown button, and at the bottom of the app menu, the icon of the app will appear. You can tap on it to open the application. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.